Hi, I'm Russell Visser from Northwest Physiotherapy Group. If you suffer from neck, shoulder or back pain from sitting too long or working at your desk and computer, this next video is great for you. It'll teach you how to stretch those tight muscles and get your joints and muscles moving again.
Foam rolling round 2. So this video is all about the upper body, so trying to release through our shoulders, neck, back, anything that we get, those postural muscles that get nice and tight after, a long day's work at the desk. This is for you, all right? So we're going to start with our foam roller in the long position. So we're going to have our spine lowered along the roller, okay? So what we're going to start with here, and sometimes it's just really nice to lie on the roller. So gravity does the work for you. It opens up all of those muscles that get short and tight throughout the day. So if you're not feeling up to it, but you're okay to lie on the ground, this is the one for you, all right? From here, what you can do is start to use your arms. So we're integrating arm movements. We're going to bring the arms in line with the shoulders. And this is our reach and relax. So what we're going to do is reach even higher, allowing your shoulder blades to move around the rib cage. And then lower the shoulders back around the roller. Reaching up towards the ceiling and then lowering back down. From here, we're going to take arms overhead. So arms reach back and forward. So these movements are all helping to loosen those tiny little muscles, those stabilizing muscles around the shoulder blades. From here, you're going to take your arms back into angel wings. So the arms will come down and around, creating a set of angel wings. You can move the hands through, staying in the same direction, or just repeat in the lowest position. Alrighty. From here, we're going to bend the elbows into a 90-90 position, dropping the hands back so it's like a, don't shoot me. So you're getting a nice stretch to the front of the chest, and then what you're going to do is just move your hands so the forearms come down into that internally rotated position, and then back into external rotation. Moving through this one, forward. So we're starting to work into those shoulders. Alright, from here we're going to change our roller into a short position. So roller crossways. Then you have your hands behind the back of the neck, thumbs down the side of the neck to support your neck. We're going to reach back, so leaning back but keeping your bottom in contact with the ground. And then slowly we're going to roll the length of the rib cage only. So to the lowest rib and then back up to those shoulders. So working to really lean back over the roller, but keeping that bottom in contact. You will hear pops and cracks with this one. That's okay as long as there's no pain. Alrighty. From here we're going to go up into the upper cervical region. So I want you to place the roller onto the base of the skull. So it's not sitting on the neck and it's not crunching you up into an awkward position, but it's keeping a nice length through the back of the neck. So you've got a little chin tuck here, and then all we're doing is rotating the head from side to side. And what that's working is to release some of those suboccipital muscles up through the base of the skull here. From here we can come up into 4-point now. So from this position, we're going to thread the needle. So taking your left hand to the roller, palm facing to the roof, you're going to slowly lower your chest down, sliding the roller out, and then coming back in. Hand positions here can change, so thumb can lead up towards the ceiling to address all the different smaller muscles. Palm down and back in. The lucky last one today is our child's pose. So from here, hands out, knees out, and you're going to lean forward, dropping the chest down. Take a nice deep breath in at the bottom point, and breathing out as you slowly peel the spine back up. Breath out, leaning forward. Breath in at the bottom, and then slowly peeling back up. So that's our foam roller 2 sequence for today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.